Hello and welcome to another video of me, Esther from Gather and Create. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make little lunchbox notes using the Tutti-Frutti bundle of stamp set and punch and the envelope punch board to make this cute little size envelope which will match our project perfectly. And the envelope punch board really was my inspiration for making this sort of size, because I was looking to see what size envelopes it made, and I thought actually the Tutti-Frutti set would work really nicely with that. It works perfectly for smaller projects as well as bigger projects. So the first thing I will do is make the envelope, but I'll just show you the Tutti-Frutti suite. So we're using the papers, the punch. I used 3 of the punches for the other projects. I didn't use the pair this time, and I used the stamping spots. The only other colour I brought in was Memento in black for the sentiments on them. I have a piece of Tutti-Frutti paper which I will need to trim down to 5 by 5. The envelope punch board will tell me exactly what sizes I need to use. So I want to make a 2.5 by 3 size card. It tells me I need a 5 by 5 piece of paper. So that's what I will do. It comes in this 6 by 6 size. Not too much trimming off. I'm sure we can make use of those bits. So that's the trimming done on that. Then I'll bring in my envelope punch board, and all the instructions are already printed on it. So we've already read what size card I want to make, what size paper I need. Now I'm using the score line measurement, which is 2 3/8. So just line up 2 3/8. Sorry, the camera will wobble as I punch and score, no doubt. Punch and score. Then I don't need to really measure anything else. I'm just going to use the existing, the previous score line to go around. Punch and score until all the lines, all the sides have been punched and scored. Then just use the reverse punch, which will round off the edges for me, the corners, sorry. Give you a nice professional finish to your envelope. Keep hold of your score tool there, so you can, don't want the papaya side. Nothing against papaya, I just don't want it to go with my strawberry. Okay, and then fold your flaps in like that. Just a little bit of tear and tape will be perfect. Try not to stick your envelope together, which might be the voice of experience. We don't need to worry. Most things that I tell you not to, I've learnt the hard way why you wouldn't do it. That's the beauty of someone with experience. Okay, a very cute little envelope. Now onto the card, and I have a piece of real red, which measures 2.5 by 6 inches, scored at 3 to create your 2.5 by 3 card. Another piece of the designer series paper, that's the one with the scallop lines on it, so that is 2.25 by 2 3/4 to give you that nice line there. And I'm going to stamp that with memento in "You Are the Sweetest" stamp. That can go kind of there. Then I want to bring in my piece of scrap Whisper White to stamp my strawberries up. So strawberry and a strawberry top. And the Real Red and Lemon Lime Twist, which is comes in your pack of 4 Stampin' spots. And don't want to go too far in because you want the punch to reach. Let's go over that, do that one more time. It's better. The other one wasn't quite right, was it? And I want 3 of them. And when it comes to doing your top, kind of go so it looks like it's overlapping, and that way you won't get a gap between your strawberry and your strawberry top. They're stamped and ready to be punched out. And the punch, you'll notice they're all smaller than the image, and that's fine, that's how it's supposed to be. That means that when you punch out your strawberry or pineapple or whatever fruit you're punching out, you will not get a big white border around it. It'll be all stamped image. So just line that up as you would normally. I can't see my because I've got a reflection. Sorry about this. Got to catch them. That's strawberries. 3 juicy strawberries. So next thing I'm going to bring in is my washi tape, which is from the Pick of Pattern set of 5 washi tapes. And I think that just makes a fairly nice contrast on there. So that there will be fine. Beauty of washi, so you can pull it off again. I've even got lines on here. You'd think I'd get that straight. I think I've gone a bit higher than I have on the others, but that's fine. So you can just tear, but you can also just tuck the other bits behind like that. I will just glue that onto my card base now. Really cute to put in a lunchbox or a care package, or just a thinking of you. Great little encouragement note card. It's just could be a reminder for your child at college or university to actually eat some fruit. So I'm going to use the mini dimensionals to pop those up. It's like they're made for it. Perfect size, no cutting required. I'm going to put the middle one on first, even though I didn't get my sentiment quite straight. But I did on the other 2, but of course I'm not going to when I'm filming it. It's part of the fun. That's well enough. Last dimensional. So there, one little card and its envelope. And we'll go on my blog, gatheringcreate.co.uk. I'll pop the link in the description. I hope you give it a try and that you have a great day. Take care. Bye bye.